If you've been to the grocery store or the farmer's market lately to pick up some tomatoes, you've probably noticed the pile of green tomatoes next to the regular ones. And if you're thinking, who buys those and what do you do with them? Let me show you how to turn these into a classic Southern favorite. We start by quartering a few green tomatoes and cutting them into 1/4-inch slices. The nice thing about them is they cut easily since they're nice and firm. Next, we toss them in a beaten egg that we mix with a bit of water along with some salt and pepper. From there, we bread them in a combo of self-rising cornmeal and flour before skillet frying them until they're golden, which takes just minutes. And since we're using self-rising cornmeal, the coating sort of puffs up. That's it. They're ready to serve as is, or you could sprinkle them with a bit of salt. Maybe serve them with your favorite dipping sauce, or if you're a true Southerner, you might want to serve these along with some cheesy grits. To get the recipe for our fried green tomatoes, while the stores are still brimming with them, head over to our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a classic Southern way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.